In this video, I'm going to teach you how to make this into this. So what's up guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to get this super cool volume slider in your Samsung devices. So with just a few taps away, you can access your detailed volume option, equalizers and more, which takes your volume changing experience to the next level. And also make sure you subscribe to my channel as we are very close to hitting 20k subscribers. So with that being said, let's get started. So first of all, head to your Galaxy Store. And then on the search bar, type Sound Assistant. And then click on the first option. So as you can see, I have already downloaded and installed it. So once you guys are done installing it, go ahead and open it. So this is the Sound Assistant app. This app has some really cool features and settings to play with, but today we will be focusing on the Customize Volume Panel option. So click on it. Then by using the toggle option, turn it on and then click on Custom in the below. So here you can customize your volume panel option further. You can either have your layout to be in the left or right, and you can show the volume level, like you can turn it on or turn it off, and then you can have the floating button. So I personally don't use this floating button, but if you want you can use it. And then for further customization, you click on the expanded panel, and then over here you can get the Bluetooth feature, like when you're connected to the Bluetooth you can control it. And then you have the show toolbar option, so if you want you can turn it on or you can turn it off. And then finally you have the app volume. So yeah, that's also up to you. So now let's go ahead and test and check whether everything works fine. So when I press the volume button, you can see the three dots which you need to press again to get to the detail section. And then over here you can find a bunch of various options. First we have the Bluetooth option, then the equalizer. So over here we have the drum type setting. You can choose from bass to treble, or from instrumental to vocal, or keyboard in the middle. And also in the top we have the old type of equalizer, which you can use it if you're familiar with it. And then on the below we have the Dolby Atmos feature, the concert hall feature, as well as the UHQ upscaler. And then for the third option, when you click it, you directly go to the Sound Assistant app, which is another useful button in case you need to go to the app. So that's pretty much it guys. So hope you all loved it and enjoyed it, and if you do, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and as always, see you guys in the next one.